Advanced searching using phrases. A phrase search allows you to combine a number of keywords in a specific order using quotation marks. Phrase searching narrows your results by telling a database to retrieve results where words are used together in a specific order. Let's go over an example. If we are looking for information on the Great Lakes, we could just type Great Lakes into the search box. However, this search will retrieve results containing the words Great Lakes in any order, meaning we may receive irrelevant results. Let's try a different search, this time using quotation marks around our keywords. This is a phrase search. This search will only retrieve results where the words Great Lakes are used in the order entered, ensuring we only receive results relevant to our search subject. For more help searching, you can go to go.utlib.ca/help.